Hello, this is Dhruv from Bangalore and a student of DigitSutra. In DigitSutra classes, I got an overview of artificial intelligence. I learned various concepts and basics of artificial intelligence. I gained exposure on artificial intelligence, which was being mentored by Manish sir, who explained all the complex topics into simpler terms which was easy to understand. Like I learned about artificial intelligence and concepts like traditional learning, machine learning, and supervised unsupervised machine learning. We also created a model and tested how it works and if any drawbacks, how to rectify it. I was also exposed to digital voice assistants and automatic speech recognition and image classification using AI. I also prepared PowerPoint presentation in our sessions and attended the quiz which gave more knowledge about this program. One more interesting thing is I did all within a span of 10 days. So I am sharing one of my project on image classification wherein I have trained my data about car and cups. Let's see how it works. It says car. Hey, it says cup. So did you see how the program was able to identify the objects like car and cup? Thank you DigitSutra for very insightful course. I recommend everyone who is waiting to start artificial intelligence, you can approach DigitSutra for a wonderful journey in AI. Thank you.